morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, day 2. This is going to be a quick resort tour. Just wanted to show you the amenities here at the Club Wyndham. We are not owners. We are staying here as a gift for sitting through one of those painful presentations. The Club Wyndham is actually called Glacier Canyon, but the Glacier Canyon Lodge is actually a separate entity. They're the hotel part of it. I would try them again. This is where I get my water every morning. We brought our French press so we could make our own coffee, but they do have a Starbucks in that little camp market, so you do have access to groceries right in the lobby. Downstairs, there's a few things to note. This area is kind of like a rec room. I just see it as something that would be perfect if you had maybe a reception and you had a large group here. Really nice. There's a bar down there too, which is open in summertime, and an arcade. Small arcade, but that would be so nice if you had a wedding or something. You can get some gaming pieces from the lobby. I think this is a very homey kind of way of staying. It's different than a regular hotel. Club Wyndhams kind of suit the way we travel. This is going to make it look like I worked out, but actually I'm just giving you a little overview. This is open 24 hours, and they do have vending in the hall. A little pricey, but convenient. You're responsible for your housekeeping and trash. Not that they require you to do anything, but they do leave you a list and kind of suggest that you take your trash out, and it's, for us, we like that. We don't want anyone in our room. The room itself was very spacious. We had a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom suite. It had a full kitchen with dining area, lots of seating, fireplace, balcony, places to charge your phone on all the lights. Above the fireplace, there's a DVD player, and they have free DVDs in the lobby. And look at that view. I mean, this is November in South Central Wisconsin, and it is still gorgeous. So I would highly recommend this if you're looking for a late fall trip. Also in summertime, there's screens on those windows. A very comfortable king bed, great bedding, bedside night lights, places to plug in everywhere, whirlpool tub, and very nice shower. Lots of storage. Second bedroom with 2 queens, laundry, which is typical for Club Wyndhams that we've seen. Very convenient. Free laundry soap. You can get that at the front desk. This is a second bathroom. This one had a tub. So yeah, that's kind of our overview. We really enjoyed it. We had a great time. Close to home and affordable. Tomorrow we're going to show you a little bit more of the water park, and then also compare and contrast this with another popular place in the Dells, the Kalahari Resort. So we'll give you a walkthrough of that resort as well. We'll see you tomorrow.